So developing right now, the heated battle over the death penalty heads to Florida's highest court. It's the case pitting Governor Rick Scott against State Attorney Aramis Ayala. Florida's Supreme Court heard arguments from both sides this morning in Tallahassee.
And it's been more than 3 months since Ayala announced she would not seek the death penalty in any cases. Ayala is suing after the governor pulled her from 24 cases, and she says he overstepped his authority. News 6 investigator Mike DeForest was there as lawyers laid out their arguments this morning, and he joins us live from Tallahassee this noon. Mike?
Hey, Bridget. Well, even though Governor Rick Scott's office is right across the street here in the Capitol building, he did not attend today's hearing. But I can tell you that State Attorney Aramis Ayala traveled here from Orlando to attend these oral arguments. Let's take a look at some video. Ayala is seen here with her attorney, Roy Austin. Now, they believe that Governor Rick Scott violated Florida's Constitution when he reassigned 24 of Ayala's murder cases to another state attorney. Now, the governor made that move after Ayala announced she would not seek the death penalty in any case. Today, Ayala's lawyer argued that state law gives her alone, and not the governor, the discretion on whether or not to seek the death penalty.
What State Attorney Ayala did is absolutely an exercise in discretion. When a state attorney decides how they're going to use their resources, how they're going to employ their fellow assistant state attorneys, when they decide how they're going to treat some cases versus other cases, that is absolutely an exercise in discretion.
It seems to me that discretion is not to ignore Florida law.
Well, Your Honor, respectfully, there is nothing in Florida law that requires State Attorney Ayala to seek the death penalty.
There's a world of difference between a discretionary, flexible prosecutorial guideline that keeps open the possibility that a statute could be applied in some set of circumstances, on the one hand, and the across-the-board policy that petitioner articulated here, which takes effectively the death penalty off the books with respect to the Ninth Judicial Circuit.
Now, that was Florida's Solicitor General who represents Governor Scott. They argue that state law is very clear, that the governor has the authority to reassign a state attorney, quote, for any good and sufficient reason. The governor argues that Ayala's decision not to seek the death penalty is an adequate reason to take her off those murder cases. Now, the justices asked the attorneys a lot of questions today. It's a little hard to read by their questions which way they may be leaning. We don't know yet when they will be making a ruling on this very big court case. Reporting live in Tallahassee, Mike DeForest, News 6.